Today I'll be showing you guys a couple of different ways on how to attach your snorkel to your diving mask. So in the background, we do have a couple of different options. First is a basic silicone keeper. Next would be a standard plastic clip. And third, we have a quick detach functioning snorkel keeper. So how this one works, you press that, disconnects, and now you have your mask and your snorkel separated and quickly can join back together. And then at the very end, we do have a brand new product. It's a universal snorkel keeper that works on all types of snorkels. And so we will go through each and every one on how to attach your snorkel to your mask. All right, so the first option that we have up here are going to be these silicone snorkel keepers. We do have clear and we do have black versions available. I'll just use the black one to provide a bit of contrast with the strap itself. So normally on any mask, the snorkel will go on your left side. So we'll keep it in that perspective. So how this attaches to begin with, you're going to want to use, these are stretchy, so you're going to want to use that to fit it over any snorkel that you have, like so. And it does take a bit of strength. One of the cons to these is that they do take time to get on and off. So once you have that over the edge, how it actually attaches, so on any mask, you're gonna have this retainer clip. It creates a loop here, and this is where you'll pass the other side through and attach it on top. And then same thing, just slide it over. And then at that point, you can just work its way down. It doesn't matter if you go a little higher or lower, it's just your preference. And that would be option one, to have the mask and snorkel attached together with this snorkel keeper. All right, so the next way you can attach your snorkel to the mask is by using a standard plastic snorkel keeper. So this one has a round shape. Some snorkels will also have a round shape, so these are compatible, while other snorkels might have an oval shape. So make sure you buy the right one for your snorkel. And so how this one works is there's an opening here that you can open and just clasp onto the actual snorkel itself. And just like that, it's already secure in place, and these two notches on the snorkel will hold it in the right position. So using that same loop again on the side, you just want to fit the strap into the clip here. And just like that, you have your snorkel and mask combined together. All right, so for the third way, just like the last one, this is a quick detach snorkel keeper made out of plastic, and the function of this one is that it can easily separate the mask and snorkel without having to take off the entire clip. So specifically, this one is oval. This one is a round snorkel, so make sure you buy the correct one for you. So for this, we will be using an oval shape one. And same thing as the last, it has an opening for you to slide it on. And you want to open it up pretty wide to attach it to your snorkel. And then from there, you can slide it up and down and fit it where you need it to. And using that same loop again on the side of your mask, you can slide this on there, and just like that, it's already ready and attached. And for this one, again, it does have that quick detach function. So when you need to separate it, you can. As your fourth option to attach your mask to the snorkel is by using our brand new product. This is a universal silicone quick detach snorkel keeper. So how this one works is, first you want to attach one of the loops around the snorkel itself by pulling these tabs over. So how that looks is there's little hooks here, and this is where you can slide on the other side of the silicone keeper itself. And that attaches like that. And using that same loop strap, you just want to slide this through. And now you can do the same for the other side. And again, you just pull it over with the clips and secure. And just like that, you already are attached and ready to go. And then when you do need to get it off, all you have to do is just pull these tabs out from the clip itself. And just like that, you're already off. And then if you want to take it off completely, just slide off the other tab and pull it off. and you're all set with that. And all of these items that you do see in this video will be linked down below in the description, where you can get them at getwetstore.com.